ISIS came to Constructing Hope in January of 2014. When ISIS came to Constructing Hope, I had no idea of everything that was happening in her life. What I saw is a young woman coming to say, I'm interested in being an electrician, and I'm formerly incarcerated. So how does that affect me? And it was like, you came to the right place.
People think that if you've been to prison or you've been in a correctional institution that you don't have anything to add, and sometimes people buy into that if they've been there. You have so much to add to the whole gamut of the construction industry because you're going to value it so much more.
It was life-changing for her when she said her sons were incarcerated and she wanted to show them something different, and she had the opportunity to do that. There was just a light about her. She was a person that you could already see that she knew what she wanted and she was going to go after it no matter what.
My motivation came from being put in a box constantly by other people and allowing that to happen because of the fact that I had this mission to please people.
There was nothing timid at all about ISIS, and I'm looking at them like, well, she kind of reminds me of me 30-something years ago, you know? Yeah. She had that fire.
I've seen Isis move into leadership roles with her union in particular. She's vice president of the Minority Caucus of IBEW, and I know that she got there through being able to build relationships with folks and show that she's capable and strong.
If you really like to work with your hands, then this is the job for most people to be in. It's the job for that person who needs instant gratification.
Being validated by going into a job, starting a job, and the job looks one way, and by the end of the day you can look back and see what you did, and you can see the progress that you made for that day every day. I mean, there is no greater feeling than that.
Today was Isis's first day on the job, and she exceeded expectations. She did a great job. You guys were happy to work with her, and she really seemed to bring knowledge and experience to the job, which is great for such an early term apprentice.
My jobs have generally started about 6:30 to 7 o'clock, so around that time, I'm getting out of the door at least 30 to 40 minutes before I have to be to work, depending on the location of the job, in order to make sure that I'm there. I'm already prepared. I'm already dressed for work. I come there, I already have my safety gear on when I actually meet up with the team. I have my tools ready. I'm ready to receive information from my foreman so that I can determine what work I'm doing for that day. You're linked up with either a journeyman or a more experienced apprentice on job tasks to let you know exactly what you need to do throughout the day. So there's never a point where you're just in there feeling alone as an apprentice and feeling like nobody's helping you do anything. And if you are feeling that way, then you need to let somebody know.
Traditionally, construction's been a male-dominated industry, and over the years I've had the opportunity to work with several different women as electricians and other trades as well. And it's nice to have a different perspective. Women see things a little bit differently than men and work in a different manner, and it helps round out the crew and create more diversity.
Being a woman in the trades it's a challenge and a blessing because it's an opportunity that wasn't afforded before, but it's a challenge because of the fact that there are still a lot of different opinions about women being in the trades and why they're actually there. You'll come into situations where you have journeymen that really want to teach you as an apprentice, regardless of your sex, race, whatever. They just want to teach. They want you to learn. Then you'll have other journeymen that, because of whatever their preconceived notions are about you being a woman or you being a certain race, that the teaching experience is not as fulfilled as it should be. Everybody is not going to see the world the way you see it. Now, everybody's not going to embrace people the way that you do, and they're just not always going to be nice people in general. Don't personalize it. Push through your day, because at the end of the day, you're getting paid the same working with him that you are getting paid with the nice guy or with the other woman or whatever the case may be. Go in there, do your job, and get your money. Getting into apprenticeship, being a felon, and having this opportunity to earn the type of money that I'm earning and having the benefits, there's 3 different pension plans that come with my apprenticeship, and I don't have to pay into any of them. My employer pays into them. There's medical, dental, and vision. It's a win-win situation. A woman considering going into the trades, what I would say to her is you got to dig deep and understand that it's all in you. As far as the strength that comes with it, as far as being strong, it's more strength of character that's going to get you through versus strength of your physical body. Of course, you're gonna need to be able to lift and pull and push, but that all comes from inside as well. You know, it's your determination to get there. So a woman going into the trades, all I can say is just do it. Do it because you got it in you. These jobs are for everybody. The biggest test is actually going there and applying for it and taking that chance on yourself. Once you get in there and you apply and you have a ranking score and you're on that wait list and you do your boot camp or your entry into the apprenticeship, from there on, all you have to do is show up and work hard. You're in there, got it. Else be the reason why you don't take that chance on yourself. Because you're talking about your life, your career, and that's what it is, it's a career. This is not a job. It's bigger than that.